My first question is kind of what your official work is that you do, and then kind of your sort of your informal, some of these like projects you work on. If you can just describe the different things that you work on.
Okay. As you say, I am at the beginning I am a teacher of English and French, Shuer and Bambara, because in Malian education system we teach to children the language Bambara. After this, I become a teacher of French and English before coming here in Mali, because, in the minister, because I interested a lot to the language Bambara and ECT. And now I am, after being a teacher and taught for 7 years, I have come into Malian minister as the webmaster. This is a formal work, but informal, I always been interested in promoting our national language. There are many languages in Mali, but most Malian speak Bambara. And I found interesting to promote my native language through internet. That's why I create my blog, on which I publish posts in French and Bambara to permit to European people to read what I write in Bambara, and to permit people, Malians who speak Bambara, to get news and send news through internet. So after this, I found that it's not useful to create a system of information and communication if Malian rural people don't access to this space. That's why I build up some small project, informal small project, which are about to form rural people how to write Bambara on a computer, how to publish their post themselves on internet. So I can say that I do two kind of jobs, working on as civic servant in Ministry of Education, and going to village, from a village to another, to tell about internet, the useful of internet, and how can internet serve to people in our national language. To answer shortly to your question, working here is formal work, and informal work is to form and promote our national languages through internet.